Hi everyone. This is your girl, Chef Afusa. As you can see, I've locked the door very well. Today, no intruder. So I'm back now to teach us how to fry perfect egg. So we have our tray here. We have our egg. We have our pepper. We have our onions. We have our knife. Tap it slice it. And we have our ororo, spoon and plate to serve our perfect egg. We also have our gas, our lighter. So let's get it done. Don't forget your frying pan. And in my kitchen, as you all know, I love neatness. So let's go and wash our frying pan. You wash your frying pan very neat. So right now we are done washing our frying pan. When we are done with our frying pan, so we are now going to dismantle to mix all these things together. So you now take your tray so that you are used to roasting. So you now take your pepper. I've washed it already. You slice your pepper very gently. You take your onions, you peel it very gently. Very gently. So this is your onions when you have washed it finished. Then you slice it. You slice it. You slice it very neat. So right now you now on your gas. On your gas very gently. Put your frying pan on the fire. Your ororo, make sure it's very neat. So we now put our ororo, our groundnut oil. You now pour it on your inside your frying pan. So you will now take your pepper and your onions. Now pour it inside the fire. You use your anything to stir it. Stir it. You will now take your salt and your seasoning. You put it like this. It's very okay. It's very okay. So you will now take your egg. When this one is, so you now break your egg. So you now take your spoon. You can see you cannot enter it. You can use the other side. This life is vice versa. Vice versa. You stir it. You will now check. As you can see, our seasoning is mixing together. Right now, we will now pour our egg inside the thing. As you can see, our egg is coming out very okay. Very okay. So you can as well go and wash the bottom of your spoon. As you can see, it's coming out very well. It's coming out very okay. As you can see, our egg is perfectly coming out very okay. But if you are the only one that wants to eat it, you can eat it like this. But if you are 2 or 3, as I always advise you in a extended family, you don't need to stress yourself. I have a solution for you that will make your hair very okay.
You don't know why it's going on.
Like I said, as extended and plenty people that want to eat it, we need to mix it with this solution. The solution is water. So you will now pour it. You pour it. As you can see, the egg is coming out very okay. It's like this water will not reach 2 people. So let's go and add more water to it.
Run.
Okay. You will now pour it very well.
Photo, not be juju be that.
Very okay.
They never show you say the mumu.
So like this now, you can read 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, extended family. Remember say Kosini, it will reach you. As you can see, the egg is very okay. It's very okay. It's very okay. The aroma alone is coming out so superb. So, come on, Abenipe, we did not taste what we cook today.
Okay.
As you know, in my kitchen, I always taste anything that I.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
Then you can now off your gas. So as you can now see, the egg is perfectly okay. So you can now call Junior to come and share it with everybody. See you guys next week. Bye bye.
The earlier every one of you realize it, the better it will be for us. May God not allow them, make them kill you.